Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, where we make your purchasing decisions easier, or at least more entertaining. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums with two titans from eufy. On my left, we've got the eufy X8 Pro, and on my right, the eufy X10 Pro Omni. It's a showdown of suction, mopping, and hopefully, a lot less manual labor. So let's get down and dirty, or rather, clean. First up, let's talk about price. The X8 Pro is coming in at a cool $649. Not bad, right? But wait, the X10 Pro Omni is here to flex with a price tag of $799. Ouch, that's a $150 difference. What else can you buy with $150? Maybe a year's supply of lint rollers? But hey, if you're splurging on a robot vacuum, you probably don't want to be dealing with lint rollers anyway. Now let's talk about suction power. The X8 Pro has a solid 2x 4,000 pascals twin-turbine suction. That's like having two tiny tornadoes cleaning your floor. But the X10 Pro Omni is not here to play. It boasts 8,000 pascals of suction power. That's double the tornadoes. If you've got pet hair, crumbs, or the remnants of your midnight snack, the X10 Pro Omni is going to suck it up faster than you can say, "Clean my floors." Amazon reviewers praise the X8 Pro for its reliable and efficient suction, while the X10 Pro Omni receives accolades for its superior power. Both of these bad boys offer hands-free cleaning, but let's break it down. The X8 Pro empties its dustbin into a 2.5L station, which you only need to replace every 45 days. Not bad, right? But the X10 Pro Omni takes it up a notch. It empties into a 2.5L dust bag and even washes its own mop pads with clean water. That's like having a vacuum that not only cleans for you, but also does its own laundry. And it only needs a new dust bag every 2 months. Talk about high maintenance in the best way possible. Reviewers love the X10 Pro Omni for its luxurious hands-free features, while the X8 Pro is noted for its user-friendly experience. Alright, here's where the X10 Pro Omni really shines. Literally. It's got the MopMaster 2.0 with 180 rotations per minute and 1 kilogram of downward pressure. This thing is like the Zamboni of robot vacuums, and it's smart enough to lift its mops when it detects carpet. The X8 Pro? Well, it's just a vacuum. Sorry, X8, no mopping for you. If you want your floors to sparkle like a vampire in a teen romance movie, the X10 Pro Omni is your guy. Amazon reviewers highlight the X10 Pro Omni's mopping capabilities as a game changer. Both vacuums come with iPath laser navigation and customizable AI maps. The X8 Pro has AI Map 2.0, which is pretty slick. But the X10 Pro Omni brings AI Map 3.0 to the party. It's like upgrading from a flip phone to a smartphone. Plus, the X10 Pro Omni has advanced obstacle avoidance, capable of identifying over 100 different objects, even at night. It's basically the Batman of robot vacuums. Reviewers appreciate the advanced navigation features of the X10 Pro Omni, while the X8 Pro's navigation is considered reliable and efficient. Amazon reviewers have a lot to say about these two eufy models. The X8 Pro is praised for its reliable suction, user-friendly app, and efficient cleaning, although some users noted battery issues. On the other hand, the X10 Pro Omni is celebrated for its powerful suction, mopping capabilities, and advanced navigation, making it a worthwhile investment for those seeking a hands-free cleaning experience. So there you have it, folks. The eufy X8 Pro is a fantastic, budget-friendly option with great suction and hands-free cleaning. But if you're looking for the ultimate clean, complete with mopping, super suction, and a brain that rivals your own, the X10 Pro Omni is worth the extra bucks. Either way, you can't go wrong. Thanks for watching. Buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart.